My name is Ian Scorgie and I'm the construction manager for this project. As a business we try and innovate, and we have a process of off-site manufacture for lots of the elements that go into the type of buildings that we build. And this pod or puck process was part of an off-site innovation, off-site manufacture that we have been trying to implement for some time, and Dutypoint have been able to help us to do that.
My name is Des McNicholas. I'm going to be predominantly looking after the internals, the internal fit out. In contacting Laurie, they've been very informative, very helpful, and we delivered the first 4 today, and they've gone in very well. I must say it's been a very efficient installation. Benefits
for us are normally on quality, program and cost. Those are the 3 things that we look for. And quality is a manufactured off-site factory product. Quality can be managed much easier than it can on site in a factory condition. So we're hoping that will be a big part of what we do, the look of it. Well, program, off-site manufacture has no effect on what we do on site, and we can bring it in at the desired time and just ferry it in as we need it, rather than have to create something on site and maybe be affected by some of those site issues.
Utility units generally, they're different shapes and sizes, and quite often when you're building the opening you don't have the design. Sometimes they don't know what type of central heating system they need. So it is key to have that information and design in place early, and then yeah, we can do these pods, and all those factors are a benefit.
Dutypoint are very easy to work with. They have some good people. They are organised, so definitely give it a recommendation.
The benefits are, as I said, the time, safety and cost. So with utility cupboards, definitely I would recommend them. But to do that amount of work off-site and deliver it as a whole is a benefit to a project like this.